Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple yet gorgeous bow. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and lay it into my Bowdabra. I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I pre-cut these, and these are about 10 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. And I'm just going to lay these down with the right side up into my Bowdabra. And all I'm doing here is basically taking the center and mix and matching. And what I love about this kind of a bow is you can use scraps of ribbon to make your bow. So I'm just going to the center of each of these ribbons, and we're just laying them down into my Bowdabra, and I'm kind of shaping them as I go. And as you can see, I've already dovetailed the ends, and I'll just show you how I dovetail so you know. All I'm doing is going from the corner to the folded area, and that's what gives me my pointed edges. So we're just gonna scrunch this down into my Bowdabra, and I'm gonna keep going. Scrunch this in and grab this one. And again, all I'm doing here is just taking a little piece of the middle, and it allows me to scrunch everything in really easily and quickly. And like I said, this is a phenomenal bow for using scraps of ribbon, but it's also a beautiful and simple bow for mixing and matching. Now I'm just going to take my wand and scrunch everything down. Then I have this really cute little ornament. I'm going to put that in the middle. So scrunch everything down into the Bowdabra. And now the reason I folded my wire in half is now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to take my two ends, pull them through the slip knot, hold my bow down, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and then pull it out. And I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back. And what I love about the bow wire is it's very strong, but you can tie a knot with it or twist it. So it's really simple to use. And now all I'm going to do is just shape out my bow, just pulling it all in opposite directions. And you can hear the little bells ringing, which is kind of fun. And just bring this here. And this is a great bow. Really, it's wonderful for the holidays, but it also, using ribbon like this, it goes great into winter season. And now you have this gorgeous bow for the holiday season.